Entertainment. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Bird and Rico, you already know what time it is. About Business Entertainment, the Renaissance, taking over. 2010, 2009. Let's do it, man. You feel me? It's September 4th. It's going down. Stay like that. Leave that. About Business Entertainment. Yeah. Yeah. The artwork fine, hell on it. Getting this footwork in, getting this grind on. You know, we're just trying to get the world to recognize what's about to happen. You feel me? Bird and Rico.
Somebody always calling their phone. They check me out. They check me out. Check me out. Check me out. All she wants to do is call. It's obvious I don't want you at all. Why you nagging me? Stop calling me. I trusted you, but you turned your back on me like others do. Made it so feel as if the soul is some disgusting fool. Hard to chew, but I got over it, aka Golden Chris. How you get my stock in the collar, man? Only cause we split all the street. Yeah, I disappeared, you was the cause of it. So back up all your lies, all the tears, along with all your kids. Get your track shoes on, blow the cap, all the fits. Fucking back shoes, so they jumping back and couple in.
Hey, Bird, Rico, check this out. Now, I'm scared of knowing 6 because it looked like it's finna do some crazy shit, but we gonna try to see what it do, alright?
Let's go dangerous. Yeah! 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 Everybody let's go. Yeah! Let me show you. Let's do it. And listen. Listen. Hey! It's so dangerous. Bird Rico on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen too nigga that white like this. You ain't heard too nigga that white like this. No. It's so dangerous. Bird Rico on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen too nigga
About Business Entertainment. Bird and Rico. We the future. Going down. Let's do it. We here.